guys. I am a recent empty nester. My 3 kiddos have all moved out. They have places of their own. They're no longer living at home. And honestly, I'm really enjoying it. A lot of people told me that I'd be crying big giant crocodile tears, and I'm not. I'm not, because I'm really excited for my kids, and I'm excited for them to get a start on their own lives. But I will tell you, I was missing that mothering that comes along with being a mom. Hello, it's in the word. So I decided that I was going to give plants a try. Now let me say, in the past, I've had a black thumb. I killed everything. But when I got to thinking back, it's because I never focused on my plants, because I was always focusing on my kids. I'd forget to water them, I'd forget to move them, I'd forget to check on them. And those are some things that you need to do as a plant mama, is of course, make sure that they're getting their water, but constantly checking on them, seeing how they're doing, move them from different lighting situations, and maybe change the environment that they're in. So I began to wonder a little bit more about watering my plants. And I started doing some digging on the internet, and I read that a lot of the plants that I have are really rainforesty type plants, or plants that like moist air. Guys, I live in Oklahoma. It's freaking freezing outside, and we have our heater running all the time, or a fire in our fireplace. Those things were drying out the air in my home. So I decided to move one of my Scentsy diffusers into the area of my home that has the most plants. We're in the corner of my dining room. I have 2 giant French doors right here, so the light is gorgeous and perfect for my plants. So this is where a lot of my plants live on the regular. So I just grabbed one of my Scentsy diffusers and I moved it into this room. Now guys, I am not a plant specialist. I don't even know what they're called. Herbologist. I don't know what the fancy term is, but I'm not that. All I am is a plant mama who wants the best for her plants. And when I read about my type of plants needing a humid environment, I thought, I'm gonna give this a go, and I've experienced good results from it. So let me tell you about this diffuser. This is one of our premium diffusers with Scentsy, and I've had a couple of these diffusers for quite some time. I just decided to move this one in here. Now this one is a beautiful, beautiful, like cracked mirrored glass shade, but there's tons of different styles in all different price ranges. We even have a very basic, more industrial looking diffuser that is in the more affordable price range, but if you want beauty, these premium diffusers are the way to go. And even the premium diffusers range in price. This month, we have an awesome special on our diffusers. So if you are seeing this video within the short amount of time that I have uploaded it, make sure that you reach out to me or jump onto my website to see exactly what that special is. But let me tell you a little bit about this diffuser and how they work. Perhaps you're unfamiliar with diffusers. Now, I do keep a plate underneath mine because I have original hardwood floors in my home built in the 1960s. I don't want this moisture just shooting right back down on the floor. So I keep a plate underneath mine, a rather large plate. It is not required, that is just my choice. So the diffuser, the shade comes right off. Here's the beauty of the fact that the shade comes right off. A lot of different holidays, we offer different diffuser shades. And once you purchase the diffuser, the shades are much more affordable and a better price point because you have the main workings of this diffuser. So how do the diffusers work? This plastic cone, the top just comes right off, and I'm gonna set it down, scoot it back so you guys can see it a little bit. And then I'm gonna grab some water. Now, it does not have to be bottled water. I just grabbed this because it was easy for the purpose of this video. There is a little fill line inside the diffuser. So you are just going to put water in that diffuser up to the fill line, and then grab whichever oil you decide. I keep my oils just on the table right behind here. Today I'm gonna do cedar lemon lavender. Well, that's not gonna work. Boop, boop, boop. Anyway, trust me, it's cedar lemon lavender. And you can use as little or as much as you want. Now, I love to actually really smell my diffuser. So I put about 8 to 10 drops in there, but like I said, as little or as much as you want. And we change our diffuser oils every 6 months, but also we have different seasonal diffuser oils that come out for harvest time, for holiday time. We're about to release our Valentine's ones. So the thing about our oils is they all smell amazing. There are tons of different oil companies out on the market, and you're welcome to use any of them in our diffusers. And I know that a lot of those companies have different claims to them. I'm not making any claims to my oils. The claim, actually I am. I'm making one claim with my oils. They smell freaking amazing. If you get a Scentsy oil, you know that it is going to smell delicious, and that's the point of our company, to make your surroundings smell amazing. So I have my water in there, I have my oil in there. All I have to do is put this plastic cone right back on the top. I'm gonna take my beautiful shade and put it right on there too. Then on the bottom of this diffuser, there are 2 different buttons. I have to be really careful because now it's full of water. One button is the light button. So if you push it once, I will tell you guys this does not come up well in video, so just trust me. It lights up. You push it again, it goes to low. So first is highlight, second is low light. The third is a candlelight flicker effect. And video does this really weird because all of them look like candlelight flicker effect. But then you push it again, it turns it off. However, this is where the really cool stuff comes in, guys. If you push that light button but you hold it in, it is going to start rotating through a color cycle. And this is an LED light inside the diffuser. It is going to change different colors. Trust me when I say this video is not doing this diffuser justice. I have a lot of light in here and video just does not capture this. So trust me when I say this is 20 times more beautiful in person. You see it changing to an orange, it's got a red, a turquoise. If you have any certain color that you love, or perhaps you're decorating for the holidays and you want a certain color on, like this green would have been perfect for Christmas time, you can push that button again and it will lock in on that color. I have it locked in on purple right now. So you can choose to have it continue rotating through the colors. That's my personal favorite. Or you can lock it in on any color. Now, fun fact, the diffuser still works even if you don't have the light on. So have it on regular light, have it on rotating light, have it on a fun color light, or have it off. If you like to diffuse in your bedroom, that's a great option for you, is just to turn that light off. So I have the purple light locked in right here, then my other button right here. This is my diffusing button. So there are different options for the diffuser. When you push it once, it turns the diffuser on, and I'm betting you guys can't see that, but there is like a cool mist coming out of it. It looks like smoke, guys, but it is not warm. Diffusing is cool, so it is not smoke, it is a water mist that's coming out of it. If you turn it again, push that diffusing button again, it's going to go down to low. So on high, you're gonna get about 4 hours of diffusing. On low, you're going to get 8 hours of diffusing. So the beauty of this diffuser is you don't have to worry about burning the motor up. As soon as that water is done dispersing, done diffusing into the atmosphere, it is going to just turn off. So you don't have to worry about that at all. The light will continue to stay on or continue to rotate through even when the diffusing is done. So I like to add water in my diffuser each morning in my plant area so I can put some moisture into the air, help my sweet little tropical plants think they're still living in a tropical area even though they're living in dry Oklahoma. And I have seen a great change in my plants. They tend to perk up when I've been diffusing religiously, because let's be honest, sometimes I don't remember. If I remember to diffuse in their area, they just perk up. They look so much better. So in my experience, I have found diffusing in the area with my plants has been super, super beneficial. If you are interested in knowing more about the Scentsy diffusers, just reach out to me. You can reach out to me on Facebook or on Instagram at Jami Jo Sells Wax. You can comment right here on this video and I'd be happy to chat with you. Or you can jump over to JamiJoSellsWax.com, check out the different diffusers that we have. And like I said, if you're watching this close to the time that I've uploaded it, we do have an awesome diffuser special, so make sure you check that on my website too. Other than that, I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's given you a great idea of a way that you can help the plants in your home, and I hope you have a sensational day.